Good morning, guys. So it is the second day of our weekend getaway, and so far so good. I just started the car, so it warm up a little bit before we leave, and I'll show you guys. I'll show you the view here. It's been raining all night. Oh, why is it dark? Oh, it's against the light. So it's just big trees, nothing else. And have a look how muddy it is, guys. Oh, it is freezing, guys. It is only, I don't know if you can see, but it's only maximum 9 degrees today. So even though I can see the sun peeping through, but it is very cold. So this is our outfit for today. It's just a warm jacket, my shirt, and then just jeans and my sneakers. Ooh, yeah, so we are going to Daylesford Sunday market. So apparently they open from 8 to 3. Now it's maybe 9 o'clock already, and it is around 45 minutes drive there. What's that? So guys, there's no chance of putting makeup on because we're rushing. So yeah, we're gonna go out barefaced and have a look at Paris's outfit. Who's got mittens? She's got this little mittens to keep her warm. What's that bird? Is that bird? So they're in the car now, guys. And where's Paris? Ooh. Hi. See you guys, have a look. We're in the bush. Dada just went back to the house to grab Paris's boots. So that's the house there, guys. That one there. So guys, we just stopped at Trentham Bakery for some hot drinks, and oh my god, guys, this is so countryside. Have a look. See, they've got the Bendigo Bank, National Bank of Australia. This is a little town, guys. Have a look, it's so old, the buildings. Got pharmacy there, little pharmacy. There's a clock there too. I love country town. So we are now in the car, guys. We just let Dada wait for the coffee. And Mimi came back saying that people here are good, like really good. And I was wondering why she reckons people are good here. She said because the old guy at the cafe said, "Hi beautiful, good morning, how are you?" And just because he called her beautiful, they're good already. Buang na humangkod, guys, eh.
May pasig nag-wallpaper.
Naka-gloves pa siya, guys. Ang gloves mo. Yeah, it's cool. Maybe because I'm driving, I don't have it on, but I have it too. So we're here now, guys. As you can see, the fogs. You can hardly see. Oh, have a look at this.
Vampires are fun.
It's so freaking cold. Oh my god, back. Look at us, guys. Circus donation. Let's see what's in here. The market there.
Which one with your shoes? This one or this one?
That one.
Left or right?
Your left.
Oh, the one with the double chin. One. That's right. Okay. Right, Alison, you're in there. Quick, go. Now, Katie, you're going to show Alison what to do. Alison wouldn't jump over the ladder, so you're going to show her how to go over. Good boy, you show her. No! You're going to show her how to jump over. High jump. Good boy.
Dad is going to get some Daylesford sausage.
I made it big and then I came here.
Yeah.
No, I mean, I grew up in Hollywood. I was a producer.
Oh, cool.
But someone's eating chestnut. So we were wondering what chestnut is. Because it looks like, you know, the calamansi in the Philippines, guys. So, nakabata kami, guys.
Mangamat kami sa kanang nanlubong sa tais baka.
Di ba nakawaton kaya panlabay naman tuwa may mga punitad ko.
Na may tagiya manlaba
guys.
itong tagiya kung may masapnan to.
But here, guys, this is for $5, and you can count. Maybe there's 10.
Yeah.
It's good.
Okay.
She knew it was on special though. Come on. Oh, this is so cute. Look. Oh.
And, yeah, he went off. We didn't know he was trying.
Careful.
It was like probably a couple of days. He wasn't, otherwise he was happy, like running around and fine. And we were like, oh, I wonder what's wrong.
You like it? Oh, where are you going? Stay here, Nak. Darius is going in. It's $4 for kids, guys, and yeah, it's free for adults. Oh, she's scared. It's a goat.
Just put a stamp on your hand or on her hand, because that way she wants to come back to know she comes into fresh. Can I just get you to push that gate?
Oh, sure. Got chook, honey. Have a look at the bunny. Daddy, bring her to the bunny. Look siya.
Na, nagputik-putik shoes.
Yan na po ng ilabay.
Well, they got cut off. Nothing stops them. 6, 7 now.
Hi.
Doesn't know any different. Whereas the buyer boy, he's sort of had to read it up. And we've watched him sort of bruises his feet, punches left.
Good.
And you can see his body moving to lift the right leg up. But there's no, so he's got only the stump and nothing. That's why he ripped off his joint. You know, 'cause he's at least got a stump, so he's sort of saying now.
Yeah, I think so.
No. Oh, nothing beats handling other people's rabbits.
Here, Daddy.
People say to me, "Mom, what if I touch you instead of your alpaca and everything?"
The rabbit. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Shush. Yes. Bye.
I really want to. Are we allowed in there?
So guys, we are catching this train. Yeah, Dada, let's go, Dada. Have a look, it's an old concrete train. Dada's just purchasing tickets. Got it? Okay. Yeah. It's leaving in 10. Station, guys. Look at here. That's a little train that we went on. Paris. We bought her a beanie. Keep her warm. That's Tita there. Have a look, guys. It's just forest. So we just finished with the market and also the train ride, so we're just in the car now. We are on our way to Ballarat Wildlife Park because if you watched yesterday's video, I said that we're going to that zoo to feed the kangaroo, and unfortunately yesterday it was pouring, so we weren't able to go there. But today it says it's only 8 degrees, but it's not raining, so it's doable. We're gonna go there. It's probably another, because we are currently in Daylesford and we're going to Ballarat, so I think it's, I don't know, 1 hour drive maybe. So guys, we're here now in Ballarat Wildlife Park. Everyone's tired, everyone was sleeping, except for me, of course, because I'm driving. But yeah, oh, so tiring. It is currently 1:30 in the afternoon, and yeah, Paris was sleeping all the way, so that's good. Now at least she's got, you know, full energy. How are you feeling, Mark? Tired. Tita slept as well. I had to wake her up because we're going out before it rains. Oh yeah, you want? Later when we come out. Welcome to Ballarat Wildlife Park. There's Dada and Paris. What's that, Daddy?
Cassowary.
Cassowary, yeah. Cassowary, yeah. I think that's the one there. Wait. Oh yeah, this one. Have a look, Nat. Hi. Hi. Oh my god, it's big. What's that on her head? What's that now? I bought the tickets online, guys, because we can get it cheaper if we get it from Groupon. Originally I think it's $33 each, but I think I got it for 29 point something dollars each. And yeah, Paris is free. So we're just gonna come and pay and show the vouchers. So we're in now, guys. Makbi, we just got kangaroo food. It's $4 for this. Hey, yeah, do you want to feed the kangaroo? Oh, so here's the roost. Have a look at the kangaroos, guys. Now have a look at the kangaroo. Ooh, go, Daddy.
Alright, where's Ariel?
There's more there. See there?
Oh, yeah.
You like it? That is so cute. You feed the kangaroo? But careful, Bubby. Do you like the kangaroo, Jet? Ayun, ako ba? Do you like the kangaroo, Jet?
The small one.
Say, there's more there. Come on, sweetie. Come on.
No people, like sabot.
Have a look at Daddy. Oh, Daddy's feeding the kangaroo, honey. Wala naman ay sulod diyang kaunat. Na yung kangaroo. Look at the koala. Oh, do you like it? Yay! Oh, she's clapping her hands. Do you like the koala? Hey.
Paris. Hello.
Bye-bye to the koala. Bye-bye, koala. See you later. Bye. Oh, it's not jumping anymore. Come on, let's go. Oh, have a look at these guys. Alpaca. And some kangaroos. Is your face red now? Do you look like Rudolph? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Hi! You wave hi to them? Hello!
Look.
Moo! Say hi!
Hi.
Bye! Where are you going? What's wrong? Oh, look at snakes. They're massive. Red-tailed. This one. Yes. Oh, this one is moving. Oh my God, nakuha ko. Oh my God, that is scary. Tara mo mag-kiss mo. Hala, takaon ka niya. Pati, this one mali. Choppy. Hello. Uy, ayaw po, purata mo sa Paris mo. Oh, MG. Anaconda. Yung green anaconda. Pati, look at this. Where's the head? Wala nga na, green na makada. Sa tubig sila mabuhi da.
Where's the hand? Tiya, apa yung dako kayo naglawas ni Uy, ulo.
Pero igo kay kasang baba. Ah, kurat eh. Ah, wala mo.
Oh, hindi.
Yeah, that one there. What's this one? Python. Oh, Jesus. Wow. King brown snake. Where? Oh, this one's moving. Brown tree snake. Oh, have a look at. It's moving. Daddy, don't come close, Daddy. Ooh. What's that? Oh my god, can you see the difference between the two?
That's a big one.
That one is so tiny compared to this one. Oh god. Yeah. Woo. She's looking at Yumak.
Do you think they would be eaten?
No. Good luck. Wala, sige kaya mata mo. Oh!
They would be eaten.
Wala, wala. Naslo na siya. Let's go, Anda. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think he's showing off. Do you like it, Paris? Yes.
Fish feet again.
Yeah. Go make it.
It's a good one. Oh, yeah, look.
Lambrog mga plastic makra.
It's plastic.
What happened, Daddy?
Huh?
What happened?
I'm
Oh dear, Miss. Strike mo kung maharot ni mo. Isa pa. Isa pati. Sige na.
Bubble pop? Have you ever bowled? Never.
Never. It's my first time.
Hard.
Well, I'll try.
Oh, I'm just gonna get it first time. Try.
Go Mingay, go Mingay. So guys, we just finished with our 10-pin bowling as usual. The winner is but we enjoyed, guys. We had a lot of fun. It was Mimi's first time too. So what can you say about your first game?
It's good. Exciting.
Did you enjoy it?
Look who's awake.
Open the boot.
And Paris was asleep the whole time. She let us. Hey!
It's your time, Mama.
Yes. So we're gonna grab something to eat now for dinner, and then we're gonna drive back to Blackwood, which is again another hour. So interesting. It's already 5 o'clock. Hi guys, good evening. It is 8:10 now, and we just got home. And yeah guys, it was very interesting on our drive home because it was so dark, and also it's a bit
the road is a bit slippery as well, and I got so scared. Anyways, we got here safe, so that's the main thing. We've done so much today, guys. I don't know. We've managed to do the Daylesford Sunday market, the what else? The train ride in Daylesford. Are you okay? Are you alright? Are you alright? Don't open it anymore. Oh, here. And then, so we also went to Ballarat Wildlife Park, and also we managed to go play 10-pin bowling. Yeah, it was a great long day. But yeah, and we also, after that, we went to a Chinese restaurant for our dinner, and now, no, Paris loves opening this drawer. Come on, go daddy, go daddy. And yeah, so I wasn't able to film before, guys, because my phone died. And yeah, so we're home now. Second day of our weekend getaway is finished, and we're just gonna stay here and play some Uno cards again. And yeah, tomorrow we've packed again. That's all our stuff there. So tomorrow we are gonna leave here before what time? Before 3 p.m. Definitely. We are leaving here, and we're just gonna grab all our stuff and then check out, and then we're thinking to go to Mount Macedon Ranges, and maybe if we can fit it in our schedule, we can go do mini golf as well. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow. But for tonight, yeah, we're just gonna sit here. We're watching movie. The fire is on to keep us warm. And yeah, thank you very much for watching today's video, guys. As always, I'm so grateful. Please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. See you later. Bye.